Alright, so my view on whether the eighth function is stronger or if the seventh function is the strongest one. So the eighth function, it's like an example of this, kind of. If you teach a man to fish, he'll be able to fish for the rest of his life. But you know what? Let's change that. Let's change it to, if you give a man a fruit or a vegetable, he'll eat for a day. If you teach a man how to farm, he'll eat for the rest of his life. Okay? Now, which is stronger? When you're the person that can stand on your own and without anyone else's influence, farm by yourself, or are you technically stronger when you are in a relationship with someone else doing it together? And that's the debate. That's the difference. Technically, and it's kind of like the twin flame soulmate versus, or twin flame versus soulmate debate. Do you want a relationship where you both like complete each other, which would be like the eighth function, or do you want a relationship where you both can handle things on your own and then you meet each other and you both can handle your side of things, and then it's that much stronger because you both can handle things on your own? Which one? I think it's, if you could already handle things on your own and then you got into a relationship with someone else. Personally. So I'm going to say that the polar, or the path of least resistance function, is the one that is stronger. Because the eighth function is your role function and has to do with other people. Yeah, path of least resistance function is the things that come the easiest to you because there's like no resistance, or the least amount of resistance towards it. Like everything in the universe is like do this, 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 do this. So that's probably going to end up being a strength, or you're going to have the ability to make it a strength if you actually do it. So I'm thinking that's, I don't know, it's just me. But on the other hand, don't get me wrong, you can, man, with like a twin flame, you have that whole other side of things, and there's two people working on something, so technically, you can get more progress out of that, but it's a, what if you have two people together that aren't supposed to be together? Or an unhealthy relationship. You see how this kind of just falls apart? Like, so, yeah, that's my opinion on that. And, again, to make reference from how I'm coming to some of these conclusions, 12th house, 7th function, same thing. 8th function, 7th house in the astrological natal chart. Like with the circle that has the numbers around it, that, you know, when they give you like a birth chart based on the time you were born, but I don't believe that you should go just by the time you were born. You know, you should look at how the pieces of it work and try to make your own. But, or, you know, make your own from, but of course this takes a lot of research and nuance and knowing what is what it is and what something isn't. And that's what I'm trying to help with the videos about that. So, yeah. Gonna get that out there. And, you know, have a good day. Talk to you later. Ciao. What is it? Aloha. All those.